Well, hello there, my friends. My name is Titus, for those who do not know me. But my friends like to call me Tighty, you see? And I am Dexter grandfather. Now, me have a new series called You Remember When? No, I ask you, you remember when Easter used to have so much significance? Back in the days when I was growing up, as a young boy, Easter was one of the most wonderful and also one of the most dreadful times for me. Yes, man, because during Easter, you get holiday break, right? But the problem I used to have, is that as soon as Lent start, it's almost like my house that I grew up in became a vegetarian and fishitarian house. Not one piece of meat was cooked for the 40 days. I dreaded that, One thing about Easter is that boy, he carry a heap of heat. Right now I out here sweating like the deacons. But I remember when, back in the day, when Good Friday did come. Good Friday was a day when, if you're not going to church, you stay inside of your house. No playing as a young boy. I remember I used to look through that louver window. And I used to look outside and see the road, and see the grass, and see me football, and me can't touch nothing. I have to stay inside and looking at my parents' face. Because them say, me can't go out there go play. But there's one thing I know about Good Friday, If I ever want drop of rain, it always fall. I don't know if it's a sign. I don't know what it is. But rain always seem to fall on a Good Friday. But one thing I loved about Easter was the Saturday. Because all of we pack up in a mass, leave for van, and we gone down to the river. Somehow I love beach, but I hate salt water, I hate the sun, and we used to eat up in my bottom. That's all right. So we used to love the river, and Mass Leaford carry down there, and he make us swim till we get white. And when we go home and we lie down in our bed, it's almost like we are floating. Ah, boy. And then, pan Resurrection Sunday, no matter how you're sick, or you act like you're sick, you never have a choice but to go to church, dress up in your Sunday best, put on your nice dandan, and you have to go to church. If you never want to go, you go bawling, and you skin up your face and you sit down, but you had to go to church. That was not optional. But you see, nowadays, all I can hear about is bunny rabbit, and Easter egg. Uno give up the lion and the lamb for bunny rabbit. You know, this somehow an idiot. Uno give up the Prince of Peace for piece of bun and cheese. I wish that we could get back to the days when we consider Easter not just to be a holiday and just to get some time off from work and for sleep, but when we consider it to be significant and we glorify and exalt King Jesus. But anyway, I have some sprat inside to eat, and I'm going to eat my sprat. I know somehow I want to find people going to bad mind because you can't get none, but I'm going to enjoy myself. So I enjoy the rest of the Easter. You hear? I want to take time on the road. Don't bother drive too hard and behave on yourself. Alright? May catch you the next time. Pa, you remember when? Mildred, yes, take out the sprat for me. And cut 2 slices of bun there. Okay, no sprat and bun taste nice.